In this lesson, we're going to talk about and learn about where we install SQL Server. SQL Server is an application. We can't take a freshly built laptop, take the disk, and install SQL Server on it without an operating system being there. SQL Server sits on top of an operating system. And because it's a Microsoft product, it sits on top of Windows, some flavor of Windows. And depending on the version of SQL Server determines what version of the operating system it can sit on. When you're building your boxes in the enterprise, you're going to want to build them on enterprise class operating systems. And that would be Windows 2008 R2, Windows 2012, Windows 2016, etc.